How to become a cell tower technician, no degree needed. If you're not afraid of heights and don't mind working with your hands, and like the idea of a career that pays well without requiring a college degree, becoming a cell tower technician might be worth looking into. With the expansion of 5G and constant upgrades to our communication networks, there's solid demand for qualified workers who can install and maintain this infrastructure. And the best part, you can break into this industry through an apprenticeship, learning on the job while you get paid. Here's everything you need to know. What does a cell tower technician do? Cell tower techs are responsible for climbing communication towers to install, maintain, or repair equipment like antennas, transmitters, and receivers. Most jobs involve working at heights, 100 to 500 feet up, using harnesses and safety gear, installing or servicing 5G and LTE hardware, traveling to different sites, regional or national, troubleshooting connections and equipment, following strict safety protocols. This job isn't for everyone. It takes physical stamina, comfort with heights, and a strong sense of safety awareness. But if you're built for it, the pay and career stability are solid. How to get started: apprenticeship programs. Here are 3 of the most recognized programs that offer entry points into this field without requiring a college degree. The first is the Telecommunications Tower Technician (TTT) Apprenticeship, NATE and TIRAP. This apprenticeship is offered by the National Association of Tower Erectors, NATE, and the Telecommunications Industry Registered Apprenticeship Program, TIRAP. The time length is typically 12 to 24 months. Your pay during the apprenticeship will be $18 to $25 per hour, depending on location and employer. When you complete the apprenticeship, you can expect $55,000 to $80,000 per year. Experienced techs can earn over $100,000 with overtime and travel stipends. The requirements are: you should be 18 years old as a minimum. You should have high school diploma or GED. You will need a valid driver's license. Since you are climbing towers, you have to be physically fit and able to lift 50 pounds or more while climbing towers. This should be a no-brainer, but you should not be afraid of heights. Finally, there will be a background check and drug test because of the job requirements. The job type: if you love to travel, this job is for you. Travel heavy and 100% on-site. This is the gold standard if you're serious about a long-term career in telecom infrastructure. Companies like AT&T, Crown Castle, and Ericsson hire directly from this pipeline. Second, we have the Wireless Infrastructure Association (WIA) programs. These programs are offered through the Wireless Infrastructure Association, often in partnership with community colleges or workforce development programs. The time length of the program will vary from 8 weeks boot camps to 1 to 2 year structured apprenticeships. Your pay during the program: $16 to $22 per hour. Some boot camps may be unpaid but lead to direct job placement. You will want to ask about this before entering the program. The pay once you complete the program is $50,000 to $75,000 per year entry level. The program requirements are: there is no degree required. Some programs will require a physical assessment or climbing test. And you should have basic math and reading skills. The job type is in-person field work, often with regional travel. Great for people looking to get trained fast and placed into a real job quickly. The third program is the Apex Site Solutions Tower Technician Apprenticeship. This is a private program. The program is offered by Apex Site Solutions and similar companies in the industry. The program length is 6 to 12 months on the job training model. Pay during apprenticeship: $20 to $24 per hour. Pay after completion: $60,000 to $85,000 per year, depending on location and company contracts. The requirements are: must pass climbing training and certification, ability to travel regionally or nationally, must pass drug test and background check. This job is travel heavy and high mobility is required. While not a formal state-registered apprenticeship, these private programs offer a direct path to work and can be a solid foot in the door. Is this a long-term career? Yes, especially with the rollout of 5G, satellite tech, and rural broadband expansion. Experienced tower techs can move into roles like crew leader/team supervisor, field safety trainer, RF radio frequency technician, project manager in telecom, fiber optic splicing technician. There's also a growing demand in private networks, smart city infrastructure, and IoT, Internet of Things, that will rely heavily on skilled telecom technicians. Our final thought is, this is one of those careers where if you show up, stay safe, and do the work, you can build a stable, high-paying job without ever touching student debt. If you're looking for hands-on work, like the idea of traveling, and want to earn while you learn, cell tower apprenticeships are a clear path forward. Want more step-by-step breakdowns like this? Subscribe to Forever Money and follow the full series on apprenticeships that pay you while you build real skills.